Hey you guys, it's dinner time in our house. You can see Rob's getting our meal ready, but I thought I'd come on and just let you know the consistency of the Scum and Grout scrub that I created. So I've used baking soda, half cup of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of CASTILE soap in mine. So it's everything you need is in this jar. All you have to do is literally sprinkle it in your sink, your tub, put it on your sponge, and it's ready to go. 10 drops of lime essential oil, 10 drops of lemon, and it smells so fresh. so good. So this is the consistency of mine, all right? You can make it gloopy, you can make it harder, press it down, whatever you want, but you know, since I just sprinkle it, it's no biggie to me. But put it in a glass jar, okay? Essential oils are better in glass, and always store it in a dark place. Don't leave your essential oils out in the sunlight because it oxidizes them. I think that's the word. Yeah, Rob's like, yeah. So that's what you're going for, okay? Enjoy. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. You're gonna wanna clean your sink every day. All right, we'll talk to you soon.